Are you looking for the best digital deadbolts? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best digital deadbolts on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Yamiry Keypad Smart Door Knob Lock. The Yamiry Keypad lock offers strong protection for your home with its durable aluminum alloy build and weather-resistant design, keeping your entryway safe in all conditions. Its backlit keypad and low battery alert make it easy to use, even in the dark or when power is running low. You can quickly set up a personalized 4 to 8-digit code, making access simple and convenient for you and your family. Plus, it supports multiple user codes and one-time guest codes, giving you flexible control over who can enter. The auto-lock feature allows you to set the door to lock automatically after a chosen time, adding extra security without any extra effort. What we like: easy installation, responsive keypad, sturdy construction, keyless entry convenience, modern design. Number 2. Yamiry Fingerprint Smart Door Handle Lock. The Yamiry Smart Door Lock offers you 6 different ways to unlock your door, including fingerprint scans, a mobile app, passcodes, key fobs, mechanical keys, and even Alexa voice commands if you have the Wi-Fi gateway. This gives you the flexibility to choose the method that suits you best. Installation is simple and quick, usually done within 10 minutes without extra drilling, fitting most standard American wooden doors. You can easily manage who has access through an app, allowing you to give permanent or temporary entry and monitor unlock activity from anywhere. This lock is also perfect for landlords or property managers who need to control multiple doors efficiently via one app. What we like: easy installation and setup, reliable fingerprint recognition, solid build quality, user-friendly mobile app, multiple unlocking methods. Number 3. Philips 4200 Series Wi-Fi Keypad Door Lock. The Philips Wi-Fi keypad lock offers a smart and secure way to control your front door. It connects directly to your home's 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi without needing extra devices, so you can manage your lock anytime from your smartphone. Using the Philips Home Access app, you can lock or unlock your door remotely, manage user codes and fingerprints, and even view who accessed your door in real time, perfect for peace of mind. Plus, it works with Alexa and Google Assistant, letting you lock your door with simple voice commands when your hands are full. The fingerprint sensor unlocks your door in just 0.3 seconds, giving you fast, keyless entry for you and your trusted family or visitors. What we like: direct Wi-Fi connection, remote app control, voice assistant compatibility, fast fingerprint access. Number 4. Yamiry Keypad Smart Door Lock. The Yamiry Smart Door Lock offers enhanced security with its durable aluminum construction, preventing potential tampering. It's designed for convenience, easily fitting most standard American doors and requiring just a screwdriver for installation. With full app control, you can manage up to 50 passwords and fingerprints, making it simple to provide access to family or friends. Plus, the multiple unlocking methods, like using an app, fingerprint, or key fob, give you flexibility and ease of use, ensuring you can enter your home in various ways. What we like: high security materials, easy installation, remote access via app, multiple unlocking options. Number 5. Veise V06H Smart Front Door Lock Set. The Veise Smart Door Lock offers 5 convenient ways to unlock your door, including a smartphone app, keypad code, key fobs, mechanical key, and thumb turn. This flexibility lets you choose the best method for your lifestyle. With app control, you can manage access remotely, share digital keys, and keep track of who enters your home, adding extra peace of mind. You can also set up multiple user codes, perfect for guests or house sitters, letting you customize access with one-time or recurring codes. Plus, the lock includes smart security features like auto-locking, privacy mode, and an anti-peeping keypad to keep your home safe and secure. What we like: multiple access methods, remote app control, customizable user codes, Advanced security features. Number 6. Nice DIGI Keypad Door Lock with Handle. The Nice DIGI Keyless Lock offers a convenient keyless entry system, allowing you to set up to 20 unique access codes for family and friends, plus temporary codes for visitors, so you never have to worry about lost keys. It includes 2 physical backup keys for emergencies. Before buying, you should check your door's thickness and hole size to ensure the lock fits perfectly. Installation is quick and easy, taking about 5 minutes with just a screwdriver, and it works on both left and right-handed doors without extra drilling. The lock also features a backlit keypad, making it easy to use at night, and includes low battery alerts, silent mode, and a water-resistant design for added durability. What we like: multiple access codes, easy 5-minute installation, backlit keypad for night use, water-resistant design, emergency physical keys. Number 7. Ulecoce Fingerprint Keypad Deadbolt Lock. The Ulecoce Fingerprint Deadbolt offers a fast and reliable way to secure your home. Its fingerprint sensor unlocks the door in just 0.3 seconds with high accuracy, making it perfect for quick entry when your hands are full. You can control the lock remotely through a smartphone app, allowing you to send temporary access codes to guests or delivery people and check who has entered your home in real time. The lock supports 5 different unlocking methods, including fingerprint, keypad, app, physical key, and one touch, giving you flexible options for access. This makes it easy to manage your home's security and share access safely with family and visitors. What we like: fast fingerprint recognition, remote app control, multiple unlocking methods, temporary access codes,